Hi, my name is Alvin and my senior design project is an automated boil kettle system controlled by a Raspberry Pi. The main boil kettle system was done in C++, and the GUI on this touchscreen was done in Python. Now the boil kettle system has these following parts. A sonar sensor that will be placed on top of the lid of the boil kettle in order to record water depth. A temperature sensor placed inside a thermal well to record the temperature of the content in the boil kettle. And a relay, which is connected to a wall socket, which in turn controls a heater that is plugged into it. All of these parts would be connected to the boil kettle as shown in the image on the screen. But for the purpose of demonstrating its functionality, I've decided to remove it and have it on the breadboard. Now to start the boil process, you go into boil settings, and here you enter in the total boil time and any reminders that you may need to add in other ingredients depending on the boil recipe. So say we have a total boil time of 2 minutes and a reminder time at 1 minute into the boil. Realistically, you would be boiling for much longer than 2 minutes. So we'll go ahead and start this. And now it reports the temperature, the pressure, the water depth as obtained by the sonar sensor, and the density calculated using the water depth. It also states that the boil status is waiting to be full. This is because the sonar sensor detects the water level inside the boil kettle, and the boil process will not start until the kettle is about half full. So now we will start the process, and now it says the boil status is currently heating. It is also turned on the relay as indicated by that red LED. What this does is turn on the heater to heat up the contents of the boil kettle to the necessary boil temperature, which is of course around 212 degrees. But for the purpose of demonstrating this, I've lowered it to 75. Now when it does reach 75 degrees, your boil timer starts. And as entered earlier, we had 2 minutes in our boil. In this state, the heater is left on, such to maintain the boiling temperature. And at 1 minute into the boil, we are given this reminder to add in whichever ingredient we were supposed to. When the boil finishes, the heater will turn off, and it'll print boil status finished. And you may exit the GUI from this point. Now because this automated boil kettle system was built in conjunction with 2 other senior design projects, an automated mash tun system and a smarter keg, we also interface with those devices using a mash tun settings page and a keg settings page. Here under mash tun settings, you are able to send the mash time and 2 temperatures to the mash system in order to start the mashing process. Here in the keg settings menu, you're able to send a drink name to the smarter keg. Alright, that was the video for my senior design project. Thank you so much for watching.